Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn about how to create a web page using Node.js and express.js. Here I use to post sign in and sign up method and password hashing sign in functionality, email duplication prevention in sign up functionality, ensuring a decent user interface. And coming to my code, I used index.html, login.html and home.html. Index.html is to introduce page with a welcome message, and login.html allows users to sign in securely, and home.html main dashboard where users can check the weather. In index.html serves at an entry point to the application, provides a brief introduction to the weather app, includes buttons to navigate to the login and sign up pages. The features of index.html is a welcome message explaining the app, get started or login button, clean modern design with animations. And coming to login HTML allows users to log in securely with Firebase authentication, redirects them to homepage upon successful login. And the features of login.html is email and password fields are authenticated, and login button to submit credentials, Firebase authentication for secure sign in, and a link for sign up page if the user doesn't have an account. When a user enters an email or password and clicks login, Firebase API checks the credentials. If correct, the user is redirected to home.html. If incorrect, an error message appears. Coming to home.html, the main page where checks the weather for different cities. Ensures users must be logged in to access it. Uses the Open Weather API to fetch weather data. City search bar, weather display section, logout button are the features of home.html, and it works when user enters a city name, clicks get weather, and the website fetches the data from Open Weather API, displays temperature, humidity description on the page. And I'll show the output of my page and also explain about my authentication and Open Weather API. Coming to server.js, it is the backend of my weather app. It handles user authentication, database operations, and fetching weather data using express.js, Firebase, and Open Weather API. I used here Firebase configuration, and coming to server.js features, it uses express.js for server setup to create a backend server that listens API requests, and the server runs in port 3000, and Firebase authentication, sign up and login to handle user registration and login securely. It creates a user and prevents duplicate accounts and stores the data in Firebase real-time database. Now let's open the terminal and observe the output. Here we give a command called node space server.js to run our server in 3000 port. Here you can see, and also I installed express package by using command npm install express. Now let me explain about Open Weather API and my Firebase and express.js. Here you can see Open Weather API website. Open Weather API is a service that provides real-time weather data for cities around the world. You can use it to get information like temperature, humidity, and weather conditions like sunny, rainy, or cloudy, etc. It works when you send a request to Open Weather API with a city name and your API key. The API fetches the latest weather data from its database and returns weather details in JSON format. And now let us observe sign up functionality, and I'm giving a name, email and password, and then sign up. It is a sign up functionality. And now coming to login functionality. Now let me show you login functionality of my web page with the already signed in mail and password. Here we can see, and the output, I'm giving a city Amalapuram, and the output is weather in Amalapuram, temperature, description and humidity. Now coming to database authentication, we should enable email or password in Firebase, and also in project settings we get the code Firebase configuration, and we should copy the Firebase configuration and we use this Firebase configuration in our code. This is about our web page weather. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe.